I want to show you guys how you can make 5,000 naira a day, or how you can make tons of naira a day with just your smartphone, of course, or with your system, all with the help of a data. Welcome to Easy Cash Out. Subscribe now for more updates. If this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, why not subscribe? Turn on the notification icon so you get notified when I'll be dropping a new video. Right on this channel, I only drop videos on how you can be creative using your smartphone, and of course, how you can cash out in a big time, in a big way in Nigeria, and using just your smartphone or a system. Without wasting much of your time, guys, I guess I have to jump straight into the video. Now, for you to get started, all you need is just your smartphone or your system, and of course an internet connection to get this done. What will you be doing on this site is as simple as this. You just perform some job like following Instagram. This is not site like HowKids. This one is a different from it. You don't have to pay a damn. You don't need to invest a damn. All you need, just sign up and start making money online. Come on, guys, this is the biggest moment. I'm telling you guys, of course you need to cash out this year. Now your own turn to make come. I tell you now, without wasting much of your time, what we need is just a smartphone, like I told you, or your system. Now the next thing you want to do right here is to visit the site, which I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. You go to the link, sign up, and of course get started. Make money online. Just make it in a big way, big way online. If you have any question for me, or you're confused in any way, kindly give a thumbs up to this video. Drop your question in the comment section below. Let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know what you were thinking about this video. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to click on your browser, or of course, or your Opera Mini install right on your phone. You click on it, boom, it's going to open up this way. And of course, so right now we are right on this on our browser. We simply we're gonna visit this site right now. So like I told you, use my referral link to do this. You just go to we just go to the site right now for this stuff. And the site we'll be using is NairaWorkers. NairaWorkers.com. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you guys step by step on how to do this. And you go to the top right hand side and click on register. Step by step on how to make this. Right here, first name, use your name, your real name. Let me say we're gonna use Anthony. Then the last name we use Paulinus. And the usual name we wanna use Maker. This is just for a tutorial actually. Now if you're a male or a female, you choose a gender, and the email, you put your email right here, which I'll be using is celebgist at gmail.com. As you can see there, I have celebgist at gmail.com. Now in the referral link right here, you add you put anointed boy. In the referral link, you put anointed boy. Then right in your password, you just put something. This is actually a tutorial, so please don't make use of this password and on the Gmail. It's just a tutorial though. So what I'll be using right here is gonna be 1234 @AZ. Of course, confirm it. It's going to be 1234 @AZ. And now I'm done with that. Follow this step by step so you don't actually miss out on anything we are doing. So you please, right here, you put anointed boy here on the referral link, put anointed boy, and you just simply click on sign up. Okay, sorry, you say this email already has the email has already been taken. Yeah, that's because I made a tutorial with this video before, and of course, like I told you guys, so what I just want to do right now is to log in straight into it. Now let me go straight to the dashboard. So right now you see this is Anointed Boy. This is my account, Anointed Boy. Sure. So guys, right now you see this is the account. This is my dashboard. Now once you sign in like this and you click the top right hand side, then you visit your dashboard, you can see right here it says hire many random workers. Yeah, the first place you can hire people to do job for you. Yes, and the second place is perform simple tasks and make money. Oh my god, click here to view available jobs. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? Of course, your side hustle. Now you click on the second step here, which is going to open like this, and boom, you get to view a lot of jobs, make money online, my guys. Yeah, when you perform this job you get paid 100 naira. You perform this job you get paid 29 naira. Perform this 28.80 kobo, and this job has already been done, which is just to follow Instagram. Guys, you can make thousands of naira here depending on how serious you are and how you want to do this. Go to the description link of this video and turn on the notification icon so you get notified when I drop a new video. Go to the description link of this video, click on the link and sign up, start making money online. So this is what I'm talking about. If you are new to this YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on the notification icon so you get notified while I drop a brand new video. Right on this channel, I only drop videos on how you can make money online, and of course how you can be creative using just your smartphone. So right here, in my next video, I'll be showing you guys, giving you a trick on how you can make tons of money on this site. There's a leakage trick I will show to you guys, but not now, maybe in my next video. So if you want to get there, subscribe, turn on the notification icon so you get notified when I will drop the video.